Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling OBS Virtual Camera and opening Zoom. This connects the apps. Once done, create a scene in OBS and add your sources. Display capture for full screen, window capture for a single app, or video capture device for a webcam. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate to match Zoom, for example 1920x 1080 at 30 fps, so the image is sharp. Finally, enable the Virtual Camera button in OBS to stream your mixed output into Zoom. Now you connect audio and refine sources. In OBS, add audio input capture for your microphone and audio output capture for system sound. Once done, balance levels in the mixer so voices aren't clipping. Apply filters like noise gate and compressor to clean the mic signal and color correction to match brightness. Then, in Zoom's video settings, pick OBS Virtual Camera, and in audio settings, choose the mic device you routed. Make sure to test with Zoom's test speaker and join your Zoom meeting with OBS Virtual Camera running so your mix scene appears as the camera feed. Once in the call, switch scenes for overlays, slides, or different camera angles. Use hotkeys or studio mode to preview before cutting. Make sure participants see and hear you by confirming Zoom's video and audio indicators. If you see a black screen, stutter, or no audio, stop and restart the virtual camera, disable hardware acceleration, or lower OBS output resolution to resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.